Today we're making potato salad that doesn't suck. Most of the time when I eat this stuff, it's never good. We're gonna change that. You know how to boil water here, so we're adding 4 tablespoons of salt, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 4 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, and then we're gonna stir that all together. Let that come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, you'll add your potatoes. Now I put too many potatoes in this one pot, so I split it into 2. Make sure you think about that beforehand. Cheers. Okay, now we have boiling potatoes. This next step is really important. You have to put your tablespoons of rice wine vinegar on the potatoes while they're still hot. Do not forget this, it's super important. Then we'll spread those 4 tablespoons out really well, and we'll chop our whites of the green onions. I'm gonna replant these in the windowsill in some water, and a week from now they'll be grown again. All right, assembly time. 2 tablespoons of sugar, 4 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, a cup of celery, a cup of green onion greens, half a cup of parsley, about 1/3 of a cup of dill relish, 1 whole red onion, 4 tablespoons of whole grain mustard, 3 cups of mayo. I know it's a lot. A little more salt, a little more pepper, to taste really. Now we give it a good stir and then we'll combine our potatoes and that'll be it. We'll put it in the fridge to let it sit and mend those flavors together for a few hours. Now I topped this with some celery leaves. You can see in the corner there I had some. If you had a bigger pot, you could do this in one. You could also mix it all at one time together. Just the size of my pots didn't allow for that. Here's the finished product. And we brought it over to a party where it was a huge hit.
Oh my god.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.
Sorry, it's not very sexy.